In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Gumroad, a popular platform for digital products. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, understanding how to showcase and explore products is key to maximizing your success on Gumroad. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Gumroad website. Open your preferred web browser and type gumroad.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main landing page where you can either sign in or explore various digital products. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, your primary focus will likely be on managing and showcasing your products. To do this, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll find the Products tab. Clicking on this will bring you to a comprehensive overview of your existing products. Here you can observe all your creations listed in a neat grid format. This setup makes it easy to keep track of what you're currently offering, find specific products quickly, and manage your inventory as you see fit. If you're looking to discover other products available on Gumroad, you'll want to navigate away from your personal store for a moment. For times when you're seeking inspiration or want to see what other creators are selling, you can click on the Discover section. This area opens up a world of possibilities as it showcases a wide array of products across different categories. Whether you're in it for market research or simply curious about other products, this section is a great resource. Now that you know how to view and manage your products, you're all set. Navigating through Gumroad is designed to be intuitive, but sometimes it helps to have a quick guide to get started. Always remember, the key to a successful storefront is not only in what you offer, but how efficiently you can manage it. With these steps, you're now better equipped to handle your Gumroad store. There you have it. That's how to navigate and manage your Gumroad account efficiently. If you have more questions about using Gumroad or other features you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below or visit our other instructional videos. We're always here to help you on your journey as a digital creator. Thanks for watching and happy selling.